I'm not out to steal your money, I don't wanna take your time. I do deserve a little respect, so I'm gon' get what is mine. Cause yeah, seem like old news, the whole world gone crazy. What am I gon' do? What I'm gonna tell my babies when they don't understand my pressure, my struggle, my demands? Yeah, back then I didn't understand when my pops came home saying that he couldn't take it. But it's hard to be a good man knowing that a man's plan is to take what you making. Hold on, we're gonna make it. Yeah, hold on, we're gonna make it. Yeah, yeah, hold on, we're gonna make it. Yeah, hold on, we're gonna make it. Yeah, seem like new news is the old news from a different angle. Another mother on TV crying cause her boy didn't make it. She's saying, what am I gonna do? What I'm gonna tell these babies? Yeah, y'all don't understand. Oh,